Sam, who got you stamps?
Mark.
John.
Mark.
Say it again.
Mark.
What do you do with the stamps?
You do on a paper.
Yeah? What'd you make?
A roll skate.
Yeah? What? And who got you the roller skate?
You got me the roll skate?
Yeah.
The roll skate?
Yeah.
Who gave me it?
You made it.
You made it.
You made it.
I didn't make it.
No?
I did it a couple times.
Right?
You did it.
I did it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And who got you the stamps?
Oh. John Mark. Some more cake.